Hello guys. So right now, gosh, this music is loud. Okay, so right now what we are doing is we are buying a Firestone from the stone shop, because what today we are doing is we are getting the 3 elemental monkeys. Panpour, Panseer, and Pan something. I don't know. But we need a Firestone to level them up to. So, let's see, buy stones. May I help you buy? I want a, where are they? They cost 30,000. I'm way past. Firestone. Yes. Okay, there we go. Got a Firestone. Now I have all 3 stones. So, what we now need to do is let's go to Rose Cove, I guess. That's Anthean. Rose Cove. Because we're heading to the Grove of Dreams. Because there's a secret if you guys don't know. And I just never got around to doing it. So, you guys get to see it. So I need fire. So I can use Char, Izzard. Okay. No, I got Blaziken. Okay. So Blaziken. And I need Lucario with me. So we'll get rid of Garchomp. Well, yeah. So, I'll try Charizard. No, wait, I don't need a fire. What am I doing? I'm an idiot. It's fine. Garchomp, you can stay with Regice. Regice. What do we have? There's water in here. I don't even know why I called this box Dark Fire Water. Because there's nothing in it, and I couldn't even spell water all the way because I ran out of letters. Oh, come on. Sceptile. I'll use you for Char. Now we have to find a water Pokemon. Frogadier. Where's Frogadier? Frogadier, where are you? I need to find Frogadier. Gyarados, there you go. Gyarados, I guess. There. Get rid of Dragonite. Okay. You got 3 Pokemon, right? He's water type, right? Yeah, he's water and flying. Doesn't really make sense. He should be water and dragon. But, whatever. Maybe they didn't want too many dragons because dragon types are OP. Oh, that's why Salmon is so good. Wait, I'm already here. What am I doing? My lowest level is Gyarados, my highest level is Blaziken. Out of the 3 elementals. Okay, so here's how this is gonna go down. We're gonna go to the Grove of Dreams, and then we need to put Sceptile first. Okay. Then now we'll spawn the first monkey. Then we might have to leave the game, but we'll put Gyarados first in our party. And then that will spawn the second monkey, the water one. And then we might have to leave again, but we'll put Blaziken in our first slot of the party. And finally that will spawn the third and final monkey. And that's how we're going to do this. So, see if we can get around here through the glitch. There you go. Not really much of a glitch. It's just a little spot where you can walk through the tree area. And also, I'm going to catch a Minccino because I never did that over here. I don't know why. Paris! Doesn't make sense why you could get a crab Pokemon in a forest. I need to get Mega Sceptile and Blaziken. And maybe Swampert. Oh, Gen 3 Megas. That would be so cool. I should totally try get that, but it costs so much BP. Then I could also get Mega Sizor. That would be a good video. I'll try and get that going, guys. You guys need a lot of out points. So, we should see that there's a monkey. No? Sceptile not count? Sceptile not a grass type? He's straight up grass. You cannot tell me. Does it need to be a different type? What could it be? Like, I don't understand. Why will it not work? Okay, guys, here's what we'll do. We'll save. Then we'll leave the game. And we'll join back. Excuse me. We'll join back. And let's hope he spawns. Come on, spawn. Come on. Come on, spawn. Oh, yeah, whatever. Lando, yeah. Oh, you guys, Chris Super. Yeah, yeah. All you guys are really good at this. And I hope you guys continue the good work. This game is absolutely amazing. It's my favorite thing to do when I have free time. And going outside, but you know, today's a really bad day. It's kind of rainy. So what I'm doing is I'm playing this. And my monkey will not spawn. Maybe they have to be dual types. Because maybe they can't straight up be just one type. Because all the others are dual types, but Sceptile is a straight up grass Pokemon. I'll come back and try it, maybe. Minccino, that's a good idea. Wow, first try. God, I know it's not rare or anything, but seriously. Oh, we'll need more Ultra Balls, probably. No. Okay. Nah, I think we're good. Wait, can you only encounter these monkeys once? Because if I can only encounter them once, what Pokeballs do I have? What do I have? I have a Master Ball, Luxury Balls, Premier Balls. I do have regular Pokeballs. In a lot of them. I guess I'll just have to hope. Okay, let's go to a different monkey, I guess. No, we have to get this one first, I bet. Well, you don't have to, but I want it first, so let's do this. Oh, I hope that saved my Minccino. I didn't even think about saving. Jeez, I'm an idiot. Okay, let's do this. Come on. Get back on. Get back on. It's going to be a kind of short video. If I ever get the monkeys to even spawn. Jeez. This is just taking forever. And ever. And ever. Excuse me. Pokemon Brick Bronze. Tap to play. Me, 214. Yay! Don't care, whatever. Okay, guys. Final review. Monkey, 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 monkey! Oh, Pansage. That's what this one is. God, I'm stupid. Well, I'm not that stupid. I just couldn't think of it. Pansage. Haha, Pansage. And I have a level 55 Tyranitar. That's Mega. So I'll probably win. Yes! Pansage is mine. I'm gonna catch them all and then we'll evolve them, I think. FP share. Okay. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna name the names that means see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil for them. And okay, I don't know if I already caught Minccino. I don't know if it saved it or not. I'll let it go. I can get him easy. It's not rare or anything, so I'm gonna check. Did it? Minccino, got it. Minccino. I'm not seeing it. Ooh, what's this Pokemon? Oh, it's Skitty, yeah. Feebas! It's evolved into Milotic with the thingy. Salamence. Then there's... Wait, when did I catch Registeel? I don't remember catching that. I know I caught 2 of the Regis, but didn't know I caught Registeel. Come on, Minccino. Oh wow, I'm a derp. Just zoom out of the way and go up one. This is every Pokemon in the Pokédex except for the last 3. Wow, it's a lot. Minccino. I am not seeing it. I'm sure you guys have to look at this. I'm just trying to find out. I'll also look later. It's okay. And guys, my Banir is getting really close to max friendship. It's really exciting. Okay, next one is water, so it's Gyarados. Gyarados. Same thing. Okay. Let's get through here. Ha! Oh yeah. Super amazing. I'll probably have to leave the server. Yes, I will. Save, yes. This is where I caught my Dragonite. Well, my Dratini that evolved into Dragonites. That's where it all happened. Okay. So, man, this game has a long intro. It takes forever. I don't care, it's worth it. Come on. Yes, tap to play. Okay, continue. Bloop. And okay, let's make sure this is up. Okay, yeah, Gyarados is for first. Oh gosh. He's a dual type, but he'll still work. Just gotta keep on trying. I'll be right back.